Are you someone who considers themselves a natural flirt? Or do you feel unsure about how to approach someone you're interested in? Flirting can often seem mysterious or intimidating, especially if you're not sure where to start or what behaviors are most effective. However, improving your flirting skills is entirely possible by understanding and practicing certain key characteristics that tend to increase your chances of success. While there's no guaranteed formula for winning someone's affection through flirting, there are specific traits and behaviors that can make your efforts more appealing and genuine. According to insights shared by Dr. Aaron Benzie in a comprehensive article on Psychology Today, certain foundational elements underpin effective flirting. These elements aren't about following a strict script, but rather about adopting a natural, authentic approach that resonates with others. In this expanded guide, we'll explore these essential flirting characteristics in detail, offering you practical advice to incorporate into your interactions. Whether you're shy or outgoing, understanding and cultivating these traits can help you flirt with confidence and authenticity. Let's delve into the 9 core qualities to keep in mind next time you find yourself approaching someone you like. 1. Nonverbal communication, the power of body language. One of the most critical aspects of flirting is nonverbal behavior. Communication isn't solely about what you say. Your body language, facial expressions, and eye contact speak volumes. When you're engaging with someone you're interested in, maintaining appropriate eye contact is vital. It signals attentiveness and interest without coming across as intense or invasive. Aim to look into their eyes periodically, but avoid staring. Instead, use glances to create a sense of connection. Smiling genuinely can significantly enhance your attractiveness and approachability. A warm, sincere smile conveys friendliness and openness, making the other person feel comfortable around you. Remember to practice good hygiene and smell pleasant. These small details show respect for yourself and others. Your appearance and scent are nonverbal cues that can either attract or deter someone before words are exchanged. Additionally, pay attention to your posture and gestures. Open body language, such as uncrossed arms, leaning slightly forward, and facing your partner directly, can communicate interest and confidence. Subtle touches, like a light tap on the arm or a gentle touch on the shoulder, can also create intimacy when appropriate and welcomed. 2. Show your intelligence. Intelligence is an attractive trait that can set you apart during flirtation. Demonstrating your wit and knowledge through conversation can captivate your crush and give them a sense of your depth. Share clever or humorous jokes naturally, and engage in topics that reveal your interests and education. Discussing a variety of subjects, from current events to hobbies or books you've read, signals that you're well-rounded and insightful. The key is to be authentic. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Let your natural curiosity and enthusiasm shine through. This not only makes your interactions more engaging, but also helps establish common ground, which is essential for building a connection. 3. Practice respectful and gentle flirting. Flirting should always be respectful. While playful teasing and banter are fun, they must be balanced with consideration for the other person's comfort. Showing maturity and respect indicates that you value the other's feelings and boundaries. If you notice signs of discomfort or hesitation, it's important to pause and reassess your approach. Being gentle doesn't mean you have to be overly serious. It simply involves maintaining a kind and considerate attitude. A mature demeanor combined with humor and flirtation can make your advances more appealing and memorable. Remember, genuine respect fosters trust and creates a safe space for both of you to enjoy the interaction. 4. Maintain a cheerful and positive attitude. A positive, cheerful demeanor is highly attractive during flirtation. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate happiness and warmth because they make others feel good. When you're having fun and exuding confidence, it's contagious, and your crush is more likely to respond favorably. Expressing your enthusiasm and joy not only shows your authentic self, but also creates a lively and enjoyable atmosphere. This doesn't mean you have to be overly exuberant all the time. Simply maintaining an optimistic outlook and a friendly attitude can make your interactions more engaging and inviting. 5. Convey romantic intentions subtly. While playful flirting can be lighthearted, it's also important to subtly communicate that your interest has romantic potential. Small gestures like giving a meaningful look, gentle touches, or thoughtful compliments can hint at your romantic intentions. These cues help set the tone for something more meaningful without being too forward. Showing your romantic side can be as simple as a kind gaze, a soft smile, or a gentle touch on the arm. These actions convey warmth and interest, signaling that you're open to exploring a deeper connection. Balancing flirtatious fun with hints of romance can create intrigue and anticipation. 6. Confidence and determination are key. Approaching someone you like can naturally cause nerves to surface, but confidence is essential. It's normal to feel anxious, but overcoming that anxiety with courage and determination can make all the difference. Practice self-assurance by preparing what you want to say or do, and believe in your own worth. When the moment comes to flirt, do so with a steady, confident attitude. Whether it's telling a joke, giving a compliment, or asking for a date, approach with conviction. Remember, rejection isn't the end of the world, it's part of the process. The more confidently you approach, the more likely you are to leave a positive impression. 7. Find common ground. Shared interests and values are the foundation of any meaningful relationship. Before starting to flirt, try to learn a few things about your crush, their hobbies, passions, or beliefs. This knowledge helps you tailor your conversation and find topics that resonate with both of you. During your interaction, bringing up mutual interests can keep the conversation flowing naturally. It also provides opportunities to deepen the connection and suggest future activities together. Having common ground makes flirting feel more genuine and less superficial, increasing the chances that your budding relationship will flourish. 8. Present your best self. Physical appearance isn't everything, but making an effort to look your best can boost your confidence and initial attraction. Good grooming, dressing in a style that reflects your personality, and wearing clean, flattering outfits show that you take care of yourself. These elements can help create a positive first impression. While attractiveness varies from person to person, authenticity remains paramount. Be comfortable and true to yourself, as genuine confidence and self-acceptance are often more attractive than trying to fit into a specific mold. When you feel good about yourself, your natural charisma will shine through. 9. Leave a touch of mystery. Finally, mystery can be a powerful tool in flirtation. Leaving some aspects of yourself slightly undisclosed invites curiosity and encourages your crush to want to learn more. When sharing about yourself, do so honestly but selectively. Avoid revealing everything right away. Instead, share a little at a time. By maintaining an aura of intrigue, you make yourself more captivating. Questions about your interests or background become opportunities to continue the conversation and build anticipation. This sense of mystery can be the spark that motivates your crush to ask you out or pursue further interaction. Putting it all together. Developing effective flirting skills involves integrating these 9 characteristics into your interactions naturally and authentically. Practice these traits in your everyday encounters and remember that genuine interest, respect, and confidence are at the heart of successful flirting. Over time, these qualities will become second nature, making your approach more relaxed and sincere. Next time you find yourself attracted to someone, consider which of these traits you can enhance or showcase. Be yourself, stay positive, and enjoy the process of connecting with others. Flirting is as much about having fun and expressing your personality as it is about attracting a partner. Remember, flirting isn't about following a rigid set of rules, but about creating a genuine connection. By paying attention to your nonverbal cues, demonstrating your intelligence, approaching others with respect and cheerfulness, and adding a touch of mystery, you can significantly improve your chances of making a memorable impression. Confidence and shared interests will help deepen the bond, while good grooming and authenticity will make you feel more comfortable and attractive. So, which of these qualities will you focus on the next time you're about to approach someone special? With practice and a sincere attitude, you'll find that flirting becomes a more natural, enjoyable experience, one that could lead to meaningful relationships or simply a fun interaction. If you found this guide helpful, please share it with friends who might benefit from some flirting tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights on relationships, self-improvement, and personal growth. Thank you from the heart and happy flirting!